Oh my god! Sorry, I got really excited. I just saw the best Jaden greeting of my life.
Wait. What happened? What happened?
They started singing a song, and they started dancing together, and they hold hands, and James picked up Aiden, and then... Oh my god, I'm actually about to have a seizure. Yo, someone hold me, I'm about to have a seizure.
I got you, girl. I got you.
I got you.
To be your favorite couple on the show. Friendly pranks. Well, I once wrote either one of these birthday. Kind of an inside.
Okay, I'm fangirling. I'm going to my fangirling zone.
So he doesn't scroll while we watch a movie together. I learned to live with it. We would love to go camping again together. It just requires a lot of prep. Also, I need to find someone. Still the same old addict. My little moonlight. What'd you say, sunshine? How much longer will it take to cure this? Just to cure it, 'cause I can't already this.
Oh, it's this song. I think oh my goodness.
Come on,
Come on, the world.
come on, 'cause everybody's after love.
I'm fangirling. Oh my goodness. Yes, I'm joining you. I'm joining you, Marty, with that fangirling. But oh my goodness.
Hang on. I don't know if anyone heard that. Someone just heard that high note. Hello?
Yes, I did. That was kind of insane.
Hello, this is why I'm a soprano.